Hi, I'm Jared Gump. I'm the chair of the Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math Division here at West Virginia University at Parkersburg, and we have installed 4 robotic arms here at our facility. Each arm is a compact 6-axis robot with about the size and reach of a normal human arm, and it's been installed on the fenceless cart system, which actually allows the system to slow down or stop the robot if someone enters the preset safety zone, so we can expose our students to top-of-the-line integrated safety protocols. We also have prepackaged labs provided by FANUC that are used in training students to operate the robots. We have our battery packing system and a pill sorting system. We also have a 5th robotic arm in our industrial maintenance lab that's attached to top-of-the-line high-speed vertical milling machine. It's a CNC machine that will then allow us to do a fully automated manufacturing process with the robot. The robot could unpack raw material out of a box, load it into the pre-programmed CNC machine so that the program that the students have prepared will prepare the material into a finished product, and then the robotic arm can take it out and repackage it. We can train not only our students to be certified in FANUC robots, but we can also provide short-term training for Workforce and Economic Development Division for local companies that may be interested in that as well.